not bad. Coconut milk in there. That one's definitely hotter. Oh man.
Coconut one?
Woo!
One's for coconut or two for that.
That one's definitely hotter. This is hot. My mouth is on fire. I wasn't expecting that because the first one wasn't that bad. I'm sure there's hotter, but my mouth hurts. This one has ghost pepper in it. Woo. Oh, I better do this while my mouth's still hot. That's probably enough. My nose is running. Oh my God. Here we go. That one's good. The hot squatch is my favorite. This is close to torture. And that one's good. I mean, it's doable. I'm gonna try some more of this just to F myself off. I don't know why. I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna just pour it in here. Oh, so much come out. Oh, it's leaking. I'm sorry. It didn't seem as hot that time. That first, I must have got some straight. Ooh, a lot came out that time of this one. This one's try some blue in here. Oh, a lot came out. Oh. That one's good. It's sweet. I'm gonna put a bunch more. Fill this one up with the hot one and see what happens. Oh God, it's gonna leak. All right, this one surely don't have a leak. Oh, I filled it up. It's full of this hot sauce. There we go. That exploded in my mouth. Oh my God. Holy crap. Holy crap. I'm just gonna eat some of this purple one to make up for it. Oh my God. Look about. Look up. Oh my God. Need a bite of cheese. My lips are on fire. I'm crying. I'm sweating. That was bad. It's still bad.